In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use new TradingView feature, Pine Screener. First, open the TradingView homepage. From the top navigation, open the products menu, then choose Screeners. Inside the Screeners area, switch to the Pine tab. This is where you can run scans powered by your own Pine script indicators, which makes it much easier to find symbols that match your strategy without hopping between charts. Before you set anything up, make sure the custom Pine script indicator you want to use is added to your favorites. The Pine Screener only shows indicators from your favorites list. If you don't see it, go back to your indicator list on a chart and mark it as a favorite so it appears in the screener dropdown. Now set up your scan. Start by choosing the watch list you want to scan. You can use a built-in list or one of your own. Pick the one that matches the market you care about. Next, select your indicator from the dropdown. After that, choose the time frame you want the screener to evaluate. These time frame and input controls work just like they do on a chart. So if your indicator has settings such as lengths, offsets, or thresholds, tune them here to mirror how you normally use the script. A quick tip: align the time frame and settings with your trading plan because even small changes can produce very different results. Define your criteria using the indicator's plots or alert conditions. You're telling the screener exactly what to look for. For example, you might filter for symbols where the closing price crosses above a 21-period EMA. You can build conditions with crossovers, greater than or less than comparisons, or any alert-compatible logic your script exposes. Keep the rules tight enough to be meaningful, but not so strict that you end up with zero results. When you're ready, click the Scan button. The screener runs the analysis across your selected watch list and displays matches in a table. You'll see the symbols that meet your criteria, along with relevant data points. Sort the columns to surface the most interesting candidates, and apply additional filters to refine the list if you want to narrow by exchange, price range, volume, or other attributes available in the table. Finally, review the results by clicking a symbol to open its chart. This lets you visualize exactly where and how the conditions were met, confirm the context, and avoid false positives. If the platform allows it, add the flag symbols directly to one of your watch lists so you can monitor them later. That's the workflow. Access Pine Screener, ensure your indicator is favorited, configure the scan, define your conditions, run it, and review the results with confidence.